Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing something with you that is not just visually cool, but is a perfect combination of sweet, savory, and tangy. These are honey lime shrimp and avocado rice stacks. All right, let's turn our attention first to our shrimp. I have about a pound of shrimp that I already peeled and deveined. To that, we're going to add the following: 2 tablespoons of honey, juice of a lime, a tablespoon of olive oil, 1 garlic clove that I've minced up, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and 1/4 of a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. All right, all we're going to do now is just toss all that together. All right, we're just going to set this aside and let the shrimp soak in all that goodness, and then we'll take it out and when we're ready to cook it up. Next thing we're going to do is chop up 2 avocados. And we're just going to dice it up nice. Okay, as you see, we've transferred our diced avocado to a bowl. To that, we're just going to add some lime juice and a little bit of salt, just to taste. Give that a quick toss. And we're just going to sit that in the fridge and let it sit there until we're ready to use it. Okay, now it's time to cook our rice. I have 2 cups of rice in my rice cooker, and we're just going to let that steam. All right, to our cooked rice, we're going to add the following: a tablespoon of rice vinegar and half a teaspoon of salt. And just mix that all together. Almost forgot, I want to also go in with just a little bit of chopped cilantro. All right, so it's time to now cook our marinated shrimp. So I have a skillet heating over medium-high heat, and we're just going to place our shrimps in and cook for about 2.5 minutes each side. All right, as you can see, that's it for our shrimp. It's all nicely cooked. I think it's time to get to assembly. All right, it's assembly time, everyone. So I have 2 ring molds here, and all I'm going to do is spray the inside with some cooking spray. This will make it easier to form the stacks so they don't fall apart. Okay, first we're going to go down with a layer of our rice. Press it down. Make sure it's firmly packed in there. Next, we're going to go down with our avocado. Last but not least, our cooked shrimp. Now, if I can get on out, stupid thing. And that, my friends, is our honey lime shrimp and avocado rice stack. I hope you give this a try, and I will see you next time.